Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video we are going to see how to report about repair of normal hand pump in Maharashtra. The link can highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now under grievance, here to select the complaint for water pressure. Now under here, you want to click select the pipeline burst. So now you have to enter all the details. Select the region, select the waterworks, name, consumer number, mobile number, email ID, incident location, details, and then you want to attach a file. So finally, you want to click on the submit button. And you will receive your complaint number in the pop-up menu immediately after submitting the complaint. So you have to keep those details safe for future verification and reference purposes. After receiving the complaint, the authorities will take necessary action to repair the normal hand pump. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and an office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. Then in fee section, so you need to pay for the fee as per the authorities request. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.